Baba Quartz new generation stone is truly versatile and maintaining its beauty is really easy. It is non-porous and incredibly durable. Baba Quartz is certified with European conformity and also certified with ISO 9001. And yes, it is eco-friendly. Baba Quartz is resistant to cracks, scratches, heat and stains. It is surely hygienic. Here are few tips on how to keep your Baba Quartz looking its best. Because the surface is completely non-porous, you never have to use any sealer or wax of any kind. For general cleaning, use a non-abrasive cleanser with bleach and thoroughly rinse off with water after use. The instructions are easy. Clean with product, rinse with damp paper, towel cloth or sponge, dry with paper towel. For tough stains such as red wine, pen marks, even metal marks from keys or knives, use a cleanser containing oxalic acid. For nail polish stains, you can use nail polish remover. Just rinse off right away and then clean and dry like you usually do. Baba Quartz offers honed, leather, matte and high gloss finishes. It has a wide range of edges. You can get it customized because every edge is possible in Baba Quartz. Baba Quartz is one of the toughest surfaces around. It can stand excessive force and pressure. So don't worry for any metal marks as you can freely use surface area. And of course, no need to worry about excessive heat or hot items. There's no need to be sensitive with fruits and sauces with acidity on surface, as it can be cleaned easily. Those wishing to use environmentally safe cleaners may also use a combination of 50-50 vinegar and water. We have provided you this information to keep your Baba Quartz looking beautiful for years to come. You can find even more detailed care and maintenance instructions at babaquartz.com. Thank you for choosing Baba Quartz, new generation stones.